Hello viewer, Windows 10 has been a trusted operating system for millions of users worldwide. But as we approach October 2025, it's time to ask yourself, is it time to move on? Here is the deal. Microsoft has announced that Windows 10 will reach its end of support in October 2025. What does that mean for you? When support ends, Windows 10 will no longer receive critical updates, bug fixes, or technical assistance. These leave your system vulnerable to cyber threat and malware. Think about it. Without regular updates, your personal data, files, and online activities could be at risk. Staying on Windows 10 after 2025 is like leaving your front door unlocked in a busy neighborhood. So what is the alternative option? Enter Windows 11, the next generation of Windows designed for the future. Windows 11 is not just a cosmetic upgrade. It is packed with enhanced security features, interface, and better performance for modern hardware. Plus, Windows 11 is optimized for the latest apps, games, and productivity tools. If you want to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving digital world, upgrading is no-brainer. Now you might be thinking, but my current device runs Windows 11 just fine. And that is great for now. But as technology advances, older hardware may not meet the system requirements for Windows 11. Take a moment to check if your PC is compatible with Windows 11. If it is not, this might be the perfect time to invest in a new device that's built for the future. Upgrading is not just about staying current. It is about protecting what matters the most: your photos, your work, your online banking. All of it deserve the best security available. Don't wait until October 2025 to make the switch. Start planning your upgrades today to ensure a smooth transition and uninterrupted peace of mind. The future of computing is here, and it is time to embrace it. Leave Windows 10 behind and step into a safer, faster, and more innovative world with Windows 11. Your digital life deserves the best. Upgrade now and stay ahead of the curve. Ready to make the switch? Visit Microsoft websites to learn more about Windows 11 and check your device compatibility. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. See you in the future. Thanks for watching.